Hey lads, TechScanning here. So at this point, we can say it is a season of action cameras. You see, early this month, GoPro Hero 13 Black was launched, which later followed by DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro. And now it is Insta360's turn, which is getting ready to launch its Ace Pro 2. So earlier, we received a hands-on picture of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and now we got another image which seems to be the official box of the Ace Pro 2. So as can be seen, unsurprisingly, the upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 2 will be backed by Leica and will have a reasonable size flip-up style screen, same as its predecessor. Most probably the similar screen size of 2.4 inches. Now, though the brand is so far tight-lipped, but besides the images, we also received some of its leaked key specs. So as also confirmed by the leaked images, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 will allow 8K recording at 30 fps, which is an upgrade over its predecessor's 8K at 24 fps. So this means Insta360 will keep its edge even on the recently launched DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro, which supports 4K recording at up to 120 fps, though which is also quite great. Another noticeable feature that the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 will have a dual AI chip. So likely it will enable faster image processing, stabilization and overall performance. Now, unfortunately at the moment the camera specs are still under wraps. But to recall, the current Ace Pro came with a 48 megapixel camera and a 1/1.3 inches sensor size. So even if the upcoming Insta360 Pro 2 comes with the same specs, it will set it on par or maybe give it an upper hand over the DJI's Osmo Action 5 Pro, which featured a 40 megapixel camera with a 1/1.3 inches sensor size. Now, as per the current details, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 seems like a solid addition to the action cameras. Anyway, the brand is yet to unveil the launch date, but of course I will keep you updated as soon as there are any details. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.